I'm getting real sick and tired of how much scrolling I have to do just to get to the year of my birth. Like, it just keeps getting further and further. We are gonna jump right into today's Dollar Tree haul. It's all Valentine's Day. Usually when I go shopping at Dollar Tree, I get quite a few things that I will stretch out for several haul videos, and when it comes to holidays, I do like now to kind of like make them their own separate video. I will be doing a 2021 Valentine's Day decor collection, but there's still several things that I know is out at Dollar Tree right now that I haven't found yet. So I'm waiting to secure some of those items. Hopefully I'll find them. I really don't know. That's the thing about Dollar Tree, no idea what will happen. But I'm gonna give it another like week or so, and then I'm gonna sit down and show you guys everything all in one. I also did mention that I thought I was gonna do DIYs potentially Monday's video or Wednesday's video. I think it's definitely gonna be Wednesday. So come back for the first Valentine's Day DIYs of the season from my channel. Okay, so not jumping in because I literally just talked for 2 minutes. But I found a new cute gift bag. I love collecting the Dollar Tree gift bags. I really do, but I don't essentially like collect them. I do try to use them as much as I can. I just think that they're absolutely fabulous. The side piping on this is just absolutely stunning. I love it. It says "Be Mine" in gold foil, and then on the back there's no foil. It's always typically pretty plain. I do like that their handle is red. I think it blends in really nicely. Dollar Tree put out these little like trio Valentine's Day gift bags, so 3 for $1 here, and here is what this set looks like. I've only picked up this one, but I might go back and pick up some of the other ones, but this one definitely was my favorite, and especially for this bag right here with just like all the pink little hearts. The camera's a little bright, so it's yeah, I think this is more like the true color of the bag, but I absolutely love these bags. I think they're so amazing. You could also use these to do a Valentine's Day advent calendar, especially if you really enjoy like the advent calendar process from Christmas time. You might also love them from a Valentine's Day perspective. You could just do like the 14 days of February. I have a DIY for you guys that I've done in the past. I made Dollar Tree advent calendars for my daughter for Valentine's Day. I'll link it down below. But I used lunch bags, but you could use these as well. You could just, you know, keep it really simple, get like a little sticker and label each bag like the day that you open them, and there you go. You can also use these to like deconstruct and use whenever you're crafting of any sort. You can make dashboard covers out of these, and you know, you could cut like the boxes that go in the Happy Planner or the Erin Condren and use them as like your little scrapbook pieces of paper to block certain days. I also love the stripe. I kind of wish they did this bag without the heart and just did like the pink stripes. I would have flipped over that. And then this one has like a combination of the different shades of pink, which I love how cohesive this, sorry I keep showing you guys like the back of it, but I love how cohesive this little set is. It's just, yeah, it was my favorite bag of the bunch that I found, but I might go back and pick up the other ones. Okay, the next things I want to share with you guys I'm kind of excited about, because last time I did a Valentine's Day haul a couple days ago. I just finished doing DT week, so in case you're new, the past 7 days I filmed every single day at Dollar Tree haul. I'll link all 7 days down below. But in one of those days I asked you guys what colors you used to decorate for Valentine's Day. And as I was scrolling through the comments, I was really surprised by the amount of responses that included purple. So then a couple days later, I went to Dollar Tree, surprise, surprise, and I found decorative rose petals, but in purple. And I was so shook. So they've done these for years, and I think they might have even have done purple, but I need to go back and search through some of my videos to see. But I just wanted to let all of my gals who love decorating with purple know that this is out at Dollar Tree. And they're just like faux rose petals. You could use them to scatter you know, a decorative like kitchen table, Valentine's Day style. You could also use these in a gift basket, kind of like as really pretty like filler on top or whatever it may be. You could also use them to style some sort of like centerpiece as well. Comment though down below and let me know how else you would use rose petals, because I just like, I can't think of any other way that I would use these. If I send my daughter a care package, this could be a really cute finishing touch. So like once I add everything into the box that I'm shipping out, I could scatter some of these on top. So when she opens it, it's just like all rose petals. But other than that, I just can't think of like anything else that I would do with these. So comment down below, but these are all of the colors that I found. I have not seen any other color options. Okay. Back to the gift bag, I picked up their tissue paper. I love Dollar Tree's tissue paper. I rave about it all the time. It's just simply my favorite. And I wait every holiday event to see like what they're gonna do, because they always do a new pattern. And this one did not let me down. It's kind of hard to see, but they look like little doodle hearts. So it's not like a perfect inked printed heart, it just looks like a doodle, and I love that. I think that is so cute. And then you get the red solid too. Just so that you know, you get 4 sheets of the print and 6 sheets of the solid. And then they did this one, which I think that they did this one last year, but I'm not mad like if they did and they brought this back, because this one is just a classic to have. And it's just beautiful. It's gold foiled hearts on white tissue paper. I mean, that's just stunning. It's beautiful. And you get 6 sheets of this. So love it. I feel like my Dollar Trees are still kind of putting some of the stuff out, but that's the only tissue paper that I've found so far. But I know there's going to be more to be found. Okay, then I found these socks are so cute. I recently showed you guys the soft socks with like the hearts that look like frosted cookies, and I thought they were the cutest thing, and they really are. But something about hot air balloon prints at Dollar Tree just ropes me in every single time. I think it's just so pretty. Look at this. Oh my gosh, I love the Dollar Tree socks. The only thing I will say is be very careful, because if they don't have like the grip at the bottom, these are very slippery. So I just want to tell you guys that, because I've been living in Dollar Tree socks for years and years. So just be careful. But the print is really beautiful. Care package, if you're thinking, oh, maybe I will do like a Valentine's Day advent calendar, here's a little $1 thing you can put in the bag. Care package, gift basket, all of those things. This sock is just beautiful. Also, I picked up another scarf. I showed one already. It was my favorite. It was like pink. Then I found this infinity one, which is just beautiful. You know, it's a beautiful print. Sometimes I feel like some of the scarves Dollar Tree does just really doesn't intrigue me in the slightest. Sometimes I feel like the prints just don't speak to me, which, I mean, like that's everything, right? Like you have a certain style, but I think that this one is beautiful. It is an infinity scarf, so you know there's no beginning or end kind of concept, but you could obviously cut it if you want to use it to tie around your purse, into a bow, onto like your backpack, or if you want to like tie it onto the handle of a gift basket, and really pretty to deliver it like that. So yeah, a lot of pretty things, or just to wear this one as is, as an infinity scarf. It's pretty. You might want to consider getting a second one and just double layering, and it will look nice and full. But I'm gonna throw this on real quick just so that you guys can see. Okay, so there's that, but let's see. But yeah, see how that, and then you want to kind of like do this. But yeah, so obviously this is very thin, you know, so if you're living up in Michigan, this isn't for warmth, okay, clearly. Even if you were to double layer it, I just think the cold will go right through you. But this is more like for style. And if that's the case, I think one is, you know, good enough. I mean, I think it just obviously shows that it's very festive and, you know, all that. So anyways, something to consider. And okay, let's see. The next thing is this heart glass shaped like decor piece, but this is at Dollar Tree all year round. So sometimes your Dollar Tree stores will pull this from like the regular shelf and they'll bring it into the Valentine's Day section, which I think is a very smart marketing for them to do it that way. But some stores don't do that. So definitely roll through the entire store if you have time, if you're just kind of on the hunt for all things Valentine's Day related. And this I did find in like a regular aisle, but look at this. It is a beautiful heart-shaped glass. You could put a candle, little beads and stuff. It's just really pretty. So love that. And it's $1, just in case anyone forgets. I doubt it, but you know what? Just saying. Okay, then I've been waiting for this and I still feel like I'm missing something, but the ribbon this year, you guys, it is so good. So good. Like we have this one with the black truck and the hearts floating out and it says, "You're my person." Yeah, "You're my person." And then you can see that it has like the red trim, plus I can just automatically tell that it's like bendable trim, so that will be really nice from a DIY perspective because then you can really get like a nice bow shape out of this. And yeah, this is gonna look gorgeous on a wreath, but with Dollar Tree, you don't get very much in here. So definitely think about how much you need for whatever it is that you're crafting, so that you don't have to like run back out to the store. And then here's this one, which honestly is probably my favorite. It's my favorite. I feel like I need to open this so we can properly see this print. Whoa. That really went places. Oh my god, that's just, this is the most beautiful, beautiful ribbon I've ever seen. I just, even if I found this exact ribbon at Hobby Lobby, I would somehow still think that it's more beautiful at Dollar Tree. But it's, wow, that's impressive. I think it's absolutely stunning. I definitely want to go back and get a couple more of these just to show you guys how glittery it is. This is gonna be beautiful on a wreath. I haven't made a Valentine's Day wreath in a very long time. I mean, I've made several on my channel in the past, but I'm not quite sure if I'm gonna make one this year or not, but when I see this ribbon, it really makes me wanna make one, so I might. And then this one's just a lovely classic. I love it. I love it. I think that the way that they did the ribbon this year so far from what I've seen, it's great, but I only saw those 3. And I know Dollar Tree doesn't do ribbon in 3s. There's gotta be at least 2 to 3 more to the collection. So hopefully I'll find it soon, the rest of them. Okay, then I picked up some DIY material that you guys will see for my Valentine's Day DIYs on Wednesday. I picked up this sheer ribbon in white. Just to show you guys, it's from the Floral Garden collection, so it's not like the Valentine's Day stuff. I don't even know if I'm going to use this one or not. That's why I bought both of these. I wasn't quite sure which one. And then I got this lace one. And lace is exactly what I wanted, but this color was kind of off for me. I wanted it to be a little bit brighter white. So that's why I picked up this, just in case at the time I do the DIY, I might switch them out, but we'll see. Okay, and then the last several things, this was a smaller haul, but I wanted to show you guys some amazing little pink items if you need some ideas to do like a gift basket filler or, you know, for an advent calendar bag. These were not found in the Valentine's Day section, so that's why I'm showing them to you. We have just this, what do they call these? I don't even know, but it's like a foot file and a scrub, and you get all of those, whoops, you get all of these little, like, you know, tools here, so that's really nice, and it's in pink. They make these in other colors, but I obviously purposely picked it up in pink. And then you could do like a whole little pink gift basket idea. And then we've got the eyelash curler with the pink grip, and then we have a pedicure set and all pink. But these also come in different colors as well, just FYI. I did an entire pink themed care package. I'll link that down below so you guys can kind of see if you just need some ideas. But I think these are amazing, and I wanted to remind you guys there's really cute pink stuff all throughout Dollar Tree that's not going to be found in the Valentine's Day section. Okay, so that's it. I know, smaller haul than I'm used to doing. I just finished an entire week of hauling from Dollar Tree, and this was kind of what I had left over from the other days that I was going to slot for today. I know you guys love the last Dollar General haul, so I'm going to try to make it more consistent in my videos as well. So I think that might be Saturday's video, a Dollar General. Did I say Dollar Tree? Dollar General haul. So anyways, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.